Peace. My name is Adam Jabari, and in this lesson we will explore self-portraiture through photography. In this first part, we're going to explore a subject that you know best, you. You will need a camera. A smartphone or tablet with a camera app is perfect for this practice. Also, you will need a pen and a notebook or paper to write down your ideas. Let's get started with 3 deep breaths. Sit nice and tall, feet planted on the floor, heart forward, and crown high. Take a deep inhale through your nose and slow exhale from your nose. You might place a hand over your low abdomen and place another one over your heart center. And draw another deep inhale in through your nose, into your belly, into your lungs, and slow exhale. And we'll do one more full breath together, in and out through the nose. Now that we've had a moment to ground, let's begin our practice. I am from hot summers, from block parties, from old oaks, from lakeshore picnics, from basketball courts and golf courses, and two-hand touch in the street. I am from house music and footwork, though I never did quite master the steps, but I knew the beat well. I am from wind and hawk, from a stinging freeze where I wish to never return. I am from the South Side, from mild sauce and deep dish, from nah, Joe. I am from cold, dope, and fresh generation. I am from Jabari, from grits and eggs, from road trips to grandma, from flights to grandmommy, from afternoons with granny, from family who kept me safe and well fed. I am from a village of love that I carry with me everywhere and always. Now that you know a bit about where I am from, I'd like you to take your pen and paper and explore where you are from. Use the provided template to express the people, places, tastes and flavors, sights and sounds, experiences and traditions that represent where you are from. Write those down and create your own Where I'm From poem. Hello again. I'm Adam Jabari, and this is part 2 of a self-portraiture through photography lesson. Last time, I shared my Where I'm From poem and provided you a template to create your own. Now that you've taken some time to explore the places, people, traditions, foods, flavors, music, and experiences that represent where you are from, let's use that to create our self-portraits. Choose 2 lines from your poem that represent where you are from. Any 2 lines, and we're going to use that to create self-portraits. Again, you will now need your camera. A smartphone or tablet with a camera app is perfect for this practice. You may also need something to prop your camera up so it doesn't fall, as we are going to shoot in portrait mode. Locate how to turn the timer on for your camera. It can be 3 seconds or 10 seconds long, as we're going to have the camera away and out of our hands to create our self-portraits. You'll need a stable surface like a table or a stack of books or anything that does not move to hold your camera still and steady. Set your camera on a stable surface. Prop it up with a book or cup or anything that'll hold it upright with the front-facing camera towards you. Once you're set up with your camera, frame your subject, that is you, from the waist up or even closer towards the head. Once you've completed your frame, set the timer and take your self-portrait. Use those lines from your Where I'm From poem to represent how you shoot yourself. Your expression, posture, surroundings, and lighting all contribute to the mood set in your images. I look forward to seeing your work. Have fun and take your time. Thanks for being here. I'm Adam Jabari. Peace.